What if the worst happens and you're actually prepared? Today, we're looking at 15 serious outdoor and emergency gadgets designed for survival, safety, and extreme situations. These aren't toys, and they're not hype. Each one has a real purpose when it matters most. Stay till the end, because some of these could genuinely save lives. Number 1. Clozex Emergency Laceration Closures. In an emergency, stopping a wound fast can change everything. When seconds matter, this device helps close wounds without stitches. Designed for situations when professional medical help isn't immediately available. The closure system pulls skin together cleanly and securely. Compact and lightweight for easy storage in first aid kits. A critical tool for serious emergency preparedness. Number 2. SUNCASE Gear Solar Lighter. Fire can mean warmth, visibility, or survival, and this one needs no fuel. Fire without fuel sounds impossible until you see this. Uses concentrated solar energy instead of flames or gas. Works reliably in wind, rain, and harsh outdoor conditions. No moving parts means long-term dependability. An excellent backup ignition tool for survival kits. Number 3. OneTigris IFAK Tactical Pouch. When every second counts, organized medical gear matters. This pouch is built to organize life-saving medical supplies. Heavy-duty materials protect contents in rough environments. Compatible for packs, belts, or tactical setups. Quick access layout for high-stress situations. A serious upgrade for medical readiness and response. Number 4. G4 Free Tactical Hydration Pack. Dehydration can end an adventure faster than anything else. Staying hydrated can be the difference between success and failure. This pack carries water securely while staying lightweight. Designed for long outdoor activities and rugged movement. Comfortable fit reduces strain over extended use. Reliable hydration support when conditions push your limits. Number 5. REXBETI Folding Backpacking Saw. Big cutting power doesn't always need big tools. Don't let the size fool you. This saw means business. The long blade is designed for cutting tough wood efficiently. Folds down safely for compact storage. Built to withstand demanding outdoor use. A dependable solution when power tools are an option. Number 6. Free Soldier Waterproof Camping Tarp. Shelter can be the difference between comfort and crisis. Shelter is survival, and this tarp delivers it fast. Waterproof fabric blocks rain, wind, and sun exposure. Multiple setup options adapt to different environments. Lightweight, yet strong enough for storms. A foundational piece of outdoor protection gear. Number 7. Camillus Carnivore X Survival Machete. Some tools are built for extreme environments, and this is one of them. Designed specifically for demanding outdoor conditions. Durable stainless steel with reinforced construction. Includes accessories for added versatility. Built for controlled, purposeful outdoor tasks. Engineered for reliability when conditions get serious. Number 8. 17-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Tool. When space is limited, versatility becomes essential. One tool, many functions, zero wasted space. Combines pliers, blades, and essential utilities. Locking mechanisms enhance control and safety. Solid stainless steel construction ensures durability. Ideal for unpredictable situations on the move. Number 9. Stainless Steel Slingshot Set. A classic outdoor tool redesigned with modern materials. Traditional design upgraded for durability and performance. Built for repeated outdoor use. Includes accessories for added versatility. Compact enough for easy transport. Designed for controlled and responsible recreation. Number 10. Folding Grappling Hook. Some problems need creative solutions, and this is one of them. This compact tool expands when needed. Folds down small for easy carrying. Stainless steel construction adds strength and durability. Designed for utility and retrieval tasks. A unique addition to advanced outdoor kits. Number 11. ZOLEO Satellite Communicator. When phones lose signal, this can still connect you to help. Works even when cellular networks are unavailable. Enables global messaging via satellite systems. Emergency SOS feature for critical situations. Pairs seamlessly with smartphones. A true lifeline when you're off the grid. Number 12. 55-inch rope chainsaw. Clearing obstacles without power tools can still be effective. Cuts where traditional saws can't easily reach. Uses manual force. No fuel or batteries needed. Lightweight and easy to pack. Dual-sided blades improve cutting efficiency. A practical tool for remote environments. Number 13. Camp-safe perimeter trip alarm. Awareness is often the first layer of safety. Designed to alert, not harm, when triggered. Used for perimeter awareness during camping. Simple mechanical design with no batteries. Reliable and easy to deploy. Adds an extra layer of situational awareness. Number 14. 16-in-1 survival multi-tool. One compact tool can cover a surprising number of needs. Packs multiple survival utilities into one unit. Includes cutting, striking, and tool functions. Built from durable materials for harsh conditions. Includes a protective carrying sheath. Preparedness made compact and portable. Number 15. WYNEX Tactical EDC Utility Pouch. Good organization can save precious time in critical moments. Designed to keep essential gear accessible. Heavy-duty stitching ensures long-term use. Mall-ready for modular setups. Compact without sacrificing storage efficiency. Small gear that makes a big difference. If you found this list useful, stay tuned for more serious gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and stay prepared.